The title of this video was simple to decide for. Dirt is lying again. MC2 has made several videos about dirt or David Wise lies, and I have made several videos too. And let's have a look at DITRH or David Wise latest lies. Let's start this dumpster fire. Felix jumped from a height of 39 kilometers. The external tank was released at 117 kilometers. Is the cameraman free falling also? Let's have a look at the original video.
And we got it. Looks great. Thanks.
Window from downlink video has opened up again, and so now we're seeing some more of that video of the external tank shot by Mike Fink after Endeavour's orbit earlier this morning.
So the external tank was filmed from Endeavour, the space shuttle, after they released the tank in orbit around the world, or the globe, of course. So why didn't DITRH look at the original video? I'm quite sure that it did, but why spoil a good story with facts?
Okay, Matt, go ahead.
All right. One thing is, in your pre-sleep config, page 3-4, step 6, lists a few things to check the power off on. For your TV monitor power control unit, we would like you to leave that on overnight. How copy?
I will speed up a part of this video from NASA, and so we end up with the explanation why they filmed this external tank.
This again is video recorded earlier today after the external tank separated from Space Shuttle Endeavour, about 8 minutes into its mission. Video was recorded by Mike Fink and is being sent down to the teams on the ground for a closer look to make sure, to gather any data that they can from it, and in particular make sure that there aren't any indications of anything that might have happened that would have hurt Endeavour's heat shield on its climb into orbit.
And entering the atmosphere, it broke down and in small pieces and were burnt up almost complete, and the rest of it fell down in the Pacific. But I'm quite sure that Felix survived. Wonder why? What's the difference between Felix and this external fuel tank? And now we are back at DITRH silly video. Now he shows his extreme skills in video editing, and we have a balloon. As you did see in this video, DITRH is dishonest. It's very easy to find proofs that he is lying in his attempts to prove the silly flat earth. But he don't care. He make up stories and lies to convince people of buying his damn app, and he don't have no interest in the truth. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe, become a member, or just come back next time I'm showing a video. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.